In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Obsidian. Let's quickly learn how to add checkboxes in Obsidian. This is a simple way to turn your notes into actionable to-do lists without any plugins, just using basic markdown that Obsidian understands out of the box. First, open your Obsidian Vault. Your vault is simply your collection of notes and folders. Once the app launches and your vault loads, you're ready to work inside any note you like. Next, open the note where you want the checkbox. You can use an existing note or create a new one if you're starting fresh. The checkboxes will live right inside your text, so you can keep them alongside meeting notes, project plans, or daily journals. Now type the markdown for a checkbox. Enter a dash, a space, an open square bracket, a space, a closed square bracket, then a space, and finally your task or item. It should look like this on one line. Buy groceries. That exact spacing matters, especially the space between the brackets and the text, because it tells Obsidian that this is an unchecked task. If you want additional items, press Enter. Obsidian will continue the list for you, so you can keep typing more tasks one after another. Each new line will automatically have the same checkbox pattern, making it quick to build a clean checklist. If you decide you're done adding items, just press Enter again on an empty checkbox line and backspace to return to regular text. When you're ready to mark something as done, click the box in Preview mode. In Edit View, you'll see the raw markdown, but in Preview, the boxes become clickable. The moment you click a box, the underlying text changes from to X, which indicates the task has been completed. This visual change makes it easy to scan your list and see progress at a glance. Remember, this is standard markdown, so your checkboxes stay portable. You can use them in daily notes, project trackers, or simple shopping lists, and they'll remain tidy and searchable. If you're ever unsure why a checkbox isn't appearing correctly, double-check the spacing and the characters. The dash, brackets, and the space after them are key. That's all you need to create, extend, and complete checklists right inside your notes. Now you can track tasks easily with checkboxes in Obsidian. Subscribe for more quick tips.